out in the YouTube world? It's Greg from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. Today is auction stuff. There is a Sheby GT350 going through the auction. It's a 2018. I have no idea why it's at the auction. I have no idea what it's going to go for. But we're going to head to the auction and check it out, see what it sells for. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to leave with a GT350 today, but you never know. That's part of the fun of the auction. For now, you guys know the game. What am I driving today? Minus the set of wheels, what kind of car is this? Comment down below. I'll give you a shout out next week if you're right. Also, if you're subscribing, thank you very much. If you're not subscribing yet, my channel is all about cars, car stuff. So make sure you subscribe down below. You can also hit that little bell button somewhere down here and get notifications every time I make a new car video. All right, enough ranting, enough talking, enough chatting. Let's get on to the Mustang stuff. We're gonna head to the auction right now. We have a 2018 Ford Mustang Shelbt GT350 going through the auction today with 873 original miles. Why is it at the auction today? Why is it not listed on someone's car lot? This car is unbelievably beautiful. It's going to go through the auction in a few minutes. We can all see what it sells for at auction versus what they sell for retail. Wow. So here we go, running through the auction in just a minute. Beautiful, beautiful car. Wow.
Never been hurt. It is titled extra key, extra remote, with the key, with the title. Real Sheby GT350 cool. New. Don't like it, don't pay for it. 53, give me an offer on the car, bullets, I don't care. 47 grand.
Look on, it's 50 at auction.
48.2.
Real money at $48,000.
48, 49, get it out. 49.2.
49,200.
I got the money, better than 49.2.
49,800. $49,800.
50 grand, open.
50 grand. Book said it was 50. It just sold for 50 grand, 200. It's still going. That car's out and the money's still riding up. 2,100.
Okay, stop. We got.
Hey, so that Sheby GT350 just sold for $51,300 plus an auction fee of probably like another $800 to $1,000. So it's over $52,000 at auction. Was that worth it? What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know what that car was worth. Was that a good deal at auction? Could you go buy a brand new one for close to that? I'm really curious. I've never actually seen one in person because they just came out last year. Let me know what you guys think. And make sure to subscribe down below to get more content like this. See you guys later. Adios.